Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to make your own pattern just like this. Alright, so what you're going to need is some paper. I like to use Bristol because it's just thicker. A ruler to measure, an X-Acto knife or scissors to cut. And pretend that's tape because I can't find my tape at the moment, but I'll come across it when I do. And yeah, that's all you need to get started. Alright, so what you want to do is just measure it down to the size that you want. My personal preference is cutting it down to 10 by 7.5. Yeah. Alright, go ahead and rip that off. Rip. And there you go. That's the size. That's what it should look like if you do 10 by 7.5. Alright, for this next part, if you have an idea for design, then just skip this, disregard what I'm saying. But for me, I'm just going to show you guys how I came up with my idea. And yeah. So I have this journal that I keep with me. So this right here is my thinking journal. My pride and joy, my thoughts and everything are like all up in here. Little sketches and stuff like that. And so I'm pretty sure I can find something to make a pattern out of. And I did, which is this page right here. As you can see, it's just a bunch of people faces in a style that I've never really done before, but that's what I'm going to be basing the pattern off of. If you still don't have an idea about something you can do, then I would just Google patterns and you can probably get an idea based off of that. But I'm just going to speed through me drawing this and then come back once it's like all inked and stuff. So, bye! Now that I'm done inking and drawing, I'm just going to show you guys how to split it diagonally and vertically. So yeah, let's get into that. I want to split the paper in half both ways. It should look something like this. And I did a terrible job explaining this, so I'm going to show a different way. So. Okay, you have the smiley face, right? So you take one half, right? And you flip them like that. And now they should look like that. So you just split it in half and flip both sides, right? There you go. Alright, now you want to split it across the middle and put it on the other side, like that. And now it should look like that. I still suck at explaining this, but yeah, it should look something like this where you have all that free space in the middle. So yeah. So I usually scan my pattern into Photoshop to make sure when I cut, everything was lined up perfectly, and I just did not like the way it was laid out. So I took it to Procreate and I rearranged it, and yeah, I came up with that. So I skipped over the part of me just filling in the white space with more faces. So yeah, I just did the same thing, took it over to Photoshop, make sure everything was looking good, and yeah, I like the way that it's looking. And then I just realigned. Well, actually, I just started arranging the pattern, and yeah, everything was good. Just making sure everything lines up, and it does. Perfect. Now, if you're really wishy-washy about colors, like I know I am, I would advise you to do everything I just did, like scanning in your design. That way, if you mess up something, you can just reprint it and just start all over, like I did so many times doing this. Now, for the coloring, I'm not going to really get into how I color, but if you guys want to see how I do that, then let me know. But yeah, that's the color. Take it over to Photoshop, line everything up on the outline that I did before. It just makes things easier. So you see that double arrow? I didn't explain this the first time, but instead of just copying and pasting the whole pattern, what you can do is hold down Option if you're on Mac. I'm not sure what it is for Windows, but hold down Option for Mac and just drag it, and it should make a copy for you without having to do like Command C, Command V. And then just use the arrows to line everything up. It's easier than the mouse. Make sure everything looks good. Yeah, and then I like to merge the layers together to make it easier instead of like command clicking for everyone. Well, I didn't do it that time, but I'm gonna do it. Line it up with the arrows. So there you go. That's what. Yep. Did I merge right there? Oh yeah, I'm merging right there. Command E to merge all your layers. Click hotkey. And then put the new layer under the old one. That way it won't be visible, like the lines and stuff. Merge again. Drag down. Bring everything together. And yeah, there you go. Now you have a beautiful pattern that you can put on anything you can think of. You can make it your lock screen. Yay! Yeah, that looks pretty dope. I like that. You can even make it your desktop background. That looks pretty dope too. Alright guys, so that concludes my video. If I helped you in any way, please leave a like on this video. It'll really help my channel grow. And if you have any questions, if I wasn't like clear about something, you can also let me know too about that. And yeah, peace.